Hi, Gary Port for NY Divorce Facts with a short divorce bit. Now you may be asking yourself, if I'm talking about divorce, why do I have two birds on my shoulders? Well, because today we're talking about pets, and specifically what to do about pets in a divorce. Who's going to get custody of them? Before 2021, judges were a bit at sea on this issue. Do we treat pets like children, or do we treat them like cars or couches? Well, in 2021, the New York State Legislature passed a law directing that judges consider the best interest of the pet in determining custody of that pet. They didn't exactly give us guidance as to what best interest means and left it up to the judges. Since it's a new law, I'm only aware of one case right now, and that was from Brooklyn, Judge Quinones. She just recently wrote an opinion on it. In that opinion, Judge Quinones looked at the entire situation from the adoption of the pet right through to the divorce. She looked at how the parties testified about the acquisition of the pets, who had the emotional attachment from the beginning, who took care of the pet, who took the pet to the vet, who fed the pet, who had a more emotional connection to the pet. And in this case, the husband left the house and left the wife with the two dogs. And that was considered as well. So the judge, in looking at these custody situations, will look at the entirety of the relationship with you and your pet. How did you adopt your pet? Who took care of your pet? Who left the house and left the other party with the pet? Who is going to give a richer, more emotional experience to the pet? These are just some of the issues that a court will consider. Now, when you're going through a divorce, you can settle with your spouse and make your own decision as to what to do. But if you can't decide, then you're leaving it up to a judge to determine who's going to get custody of your pet. So think about that. If you're going to be looking for custody of your pet, you have to consider how you're going to present yourself to the judge, how you're going to present to the judge your emotional connection to the pet, and how you can provide a better experience for your pet. If you have a question, give us a call. At Port and Sava, we help you get on with the rest of your life.